perfect snuggle spot. It's so warm. And the best part, no one can see me. How to summon a bird. 1. Make a pentagram of crackers. 2. Sacrifice a keyboard. 3. Speak the incantation. Do you want a treat? I'm here. I wish for seeds. Granted. What is your second wish? More seeds. Granted. You have one wish left. Think about it. It could be anything in the world. Don't say seeds. Ancient parrot in New Zealand was 1 meter tall, study says. Okay, time for bed. Get in the cage. No, you get in the cage. You will let me out. 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 Okay, time to come out. Same time as every day. Get on the scale please. I don't wanna. Then we have to make you a birdie burrito. Burrito, yum. Seems I'm full of rage. Your tail is blocking my work. Could you please turn around? Hey chicken, when are you gonna start paying rent? Haha. Human's purse. Good bird. Give it to me straight, doctor. I'm old, my feet hurt, and I fall sometimes. How long do I have? Actually, you just have arthritis. We can help you with that. Later. Oh yes, feel good juice. Strong. Scritch me. Not that way. Scritch please. You got lots of scritches already. You not sleeping, eating, or preening. So you not busy. Scritch please. Sure, just give me 30 seconds. Too slow. Doesn't scritch. Humans so stupid. Try this. I know you'll like it. Nah. Eat. I will learn nothing from this. Human, I made you confetti. That was my homework. Ungrateful piece of. Gary, don't sit on the TV. Zip ties. The only places you're not allowed are the trash and the kitchen. Okay. Okay. Life goals. Eat seeds. Be in the trash and kitchen as much as possible. Or, he's swinging himself. I'm gonna be stuck on this shaky branch forever. Here's some food. And some water. Are they male or female? It's hard to tell without a DNA test. We'll guess male and call you Bob. Bob was not male. No birds past this point. Hey, are you going into the kitchen? No, just standing. Hen. That's it. Cage. Now. No cage. Hey little guy, want to come home with me? I'll call you Whistle. Can you say mama? Dada. Oh, please don't chew on that. Ah. No, my toy. Human, what are you doing? Dancing. Oh. Please stop. Hop. No, go in the cage. Oh. Hop. Why did he bite you? Because I put food in his bowl. Checking on the bird at night. What you see? What they see? I. Chicken. No. Chicken. Chicken. Who? Food bowl. Don't nest there, use this instead. Nice. This stuff will go great in my nest. Here you go. Yoink. Gotta love bird. Need confetti now? Life hack. Thanks. Gonna bring this to my nest. Hey, stop that.